As the name heavy machinery suggests, these giants never cease to amaze us. Let's take a deeper look together. These very large machines. Let's see how powerful they are and how talented humans are able to create them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel before you start. A machine that weighs hundreds of tons. Start a new day of homework in Zurich, France. Comes with 2 different duplicate calendars. 690 completed from the tram tracks. The task of removing approximately 40 tons of steel. When the tide goes out, the ship became an amphibious vehicle, possessing powerful capabilities on both land and water. His task is to double the freshest harvest, because the 7,300 excavator can be used in one construction, excavating and repairing cross-sections of canals. The design of the machine is rigid enough, can handle the most complex, the most difficult construction task. What is the largest John Deere corn planter? Introduce the John Deere DB120. It is estimated that this planter is running at an hourly rate, 5 to 5.5 mile ground speed. Can plant 90 to 100 acres per hour. This means that in a 12-hour workday, he will be able to grow almost 1,200 acres of crops. That's the power of machines. Verspars de Claw underwater hoist. It's like Popeye in the deep sea. This is from VB. 10,000 big guys controlled by the lifting system can lift weights at depths of 500 feet. I mean structures. Let's talk about the 11th monster. He specializes in handling large-scale earthworks tailor-made. Pipe piles are great at supporting foundations. Machine-driven steel pipe piles up to 12.5 meters in diameter. Just don't be too domineering. Farewell to the dusty construction site. We came to a wide field. Here are the wonders of agricultural monsters. Appearance imagine. A big guy with a working width of 56 meters. You can cover an entire hectare of wheat in one sitting. Isn't this the agricultural version of Transformers? Speaking of the Cat 9 to large wheel loader, this guy is a long-lived star. More than 50 years later, still sitting at the top of the size class. The productivity of the new Cat 992, it has skyrocketed by as much as 48%. Just don't be too awesome. U-Blade, the master of transformation, reshape the landscape with its blades. In an upright position, he can move large amounts of dirt with ease, and they do it in a very confined space. Katarina's Swim-It system. It is through the weight of the knife head. Easy to sink into the soil. Create uniform mixing blocks. Simply a land beautician. Goso, the giant of grab dredgers. Huge grabs can excavate large amounts of material and deliver bacteria. Hard substance. Exceeding SPT100 is simply impossible. We want to chop the largest chunks of wood in a productive environment. Use Pride HF8002 element cone wooden machine. It's your choice. 2-speed motor makes Hawaii loader, wheel loader, and excavators can easily pass through the hardest wood. It's as simple as chopping melons and vegetables. More cars. Recycling has become a global challenge, but we are not vegetarians to dismantle the machine. Efficient demolition without classification. Valuable materials are not a problem. What makes this trailer unique? The design of the rear axle can slide and tilt. Through this design, operators can be ready in less than a minute. Run a heap evasion operation. FR205, a leader in the large crane industry, belongs to the lifting class of 30 to 300 ton meters. Have the power. Mining bot manipulation cutting machine is a good helper of excavator, specifically designed to cut vegetation and remove unwanted trees or stumps. The cutting head can rotate 360 degrees and adjust at different angles according to work needs. It's like the Swiss Army knife of excavators. You might be surprised by these devices. How to navigate a terrain with a narrow curve radius, transporting giant wind turbine blades. And when Fente is ideal, Its unique steering system without steering wheel, ushering in a new era of efficient harvesting. 29,800 as a leader in the mega mining market, suitable for a wide range of large mining trucks, equipped with powerful engines and cranes. He's like the god of mining. Scania 2540 in the timber transportation industry. It's quite a name. 540 horsepower engine and 9.8 meter F4 wheeled crane. Let him deserve to be a lumber transporter. Big Mac! Except for mines and construction sites. The lip of our excavator was also sited above the water. Carry out dredging work. Really versatile.